Let's do a Tendu from fifth position. Okay, arm up, we Tendu from one slow and front and side. 1 and 2, front and side. Back, face, back and side. Tendu front and brush. Tendu back and brush. Front, side, back, third repeat. And then we do development 1 and 2 and 3 slow, okay, I need to stretch on 4. And then you go development with PK side by side. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 2 passes relay, and then you chasse inside like a pass. Find the center, release bar finish. Okay? So one more time. 1 slow, 2 fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything one count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget third repeat on 8. Definitely slow. Focus on the stretch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then definitely PK. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 relay. 2, 3 and 4, 5. Back pass relay. Release bar finished. Okay, so Tendu from fifth. 1 slow front and side. 1 slow back and side. And Tendu front brush back brush front, side, back, third repeat. 2 slow development outside leg. And then you will do side by side. Outside first. Develop PK, inside develop PK. And then 2 passes relay, chasse. Okay? Okay, let's do with the music. And arm up. Front, face, front and side. Back, face, back and side. Front, brush, back, brush, front, side, back, third repeat. Development, face, development, face, development PK. Inside, development PK. Passing relay, 1. Passing relay, chasse. Inside like a back passing. Find the center.